ungcolile lo mfazi ha
uyibukela la
hayi ungcolile sana
wena kuthela uyibukela la
ngoba ngiyambona ecansi kwendlela mna ndingathi iqhakazi nje sorry you sorry but
Hayibo mama kuya-actor girl.
u-actela ntoni indawo enjeni bani ungcono hayi suka because ezi zinto u-actor indawo engekho right naxa ubona endleleni kuthiwe wow.
Hello guys, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Yes guys, this was the video that humbled Sindi Ndlathu, and she ended up requesting people to put in a good word for her to mama. The lady in the video guys believe that if you act that kind of character, you are evil in your real life. The River actress has been crowned as one of the best actresses in South Africa. After each and every episode of The River, you will find Lindiwe trending on social media. Some are even questioning and blaming Muvango's producers for robbing us guys this talent. If you love her guys, please send some love on the comment section, and please share with us which of Sindi Ndlathu's character you love the most, Tandazo from Muvango or Lindiwe from The River. Till we meet again guys, I love you so much. Bye.